Whether you're maintaining a clean shave or want a well-groomed body from head to toe, a body groomer can make the job easier. These tools are designed to help you trim, shave, and shape your body hair with precision and comfort. We've rounded up the top body groomers of 2025 to help you find the perfect one for your grooming needs. Number 6. Philips Norelco Body Groom Series 1100. The Philips Norelco Body Groom Series 1100 is a reliable, budget-friendly body groomer ideal for beginners or anyone on a tight budget. Featuring a simple, no-frills design, this model ensures a safe and effective grooming experience. It has a skin-friendly rounded tip design that reduces the chances of nicks or cuts, making it especially suitable for sensitive areas like the groin or underarms. The Norelco Series 1100 is versatile, offering both wet and dry use, so you can comfortably use it in or out of the shower. While it doesn't have the bells and whistles of more expensive models, its basic yet dependable performance makes it a great choice for those who just need a solid trimmer without extra features. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for quick grooming sessions. Pros: affordable and budget-friendly. Skin-friendly rounded tips to avoid cuts. Wet and dry use. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Cons: lacks advanced features like adjustable length settings. Not as durable as higher-end models. Number 5. Braun MGK 3980 Multi-Grooming Kit. For those looking for a versatile grooming kit, the Braun MGK 3980 Multi-Grooming Kit is a fantastic option. This all-in-one kit comes with multiple attachments, including a trimmer, shaver, and detailing combs, giving you the ability to groom your body hair, beard, and facial hair with ease. The MGK 3980 is designed to be fully washable, making it incredibly easy to clean after each use, and it offers up to 60 minutes of cordless use on a full charge. This multi-purpose kit provides great value for the price, and it's an excellent choice for people who want a wide range of grooming tools in one compact, budget-friendly package. Whether you're trimming your beard or shaping body hair, this grooming kit can handle it all. Pros: multiple attachments for full-body grooming. Washable for easy cleaning. 60 minutes of cordless use. Good value for the price. Cons: battery life could be longer. Not as powerful as higher-end trimmers. Number 4. Panasonic ER-GK60-S Body Groomer. The Panasonic ER-GK60-S is a specialized body groomer that is perfect for sensitive areas. Its flexible head and hypoallergenic blades offer a comfortable and efficient trim, ensuring a smooth shave in areas like the groin, chest, and underarms. This model is designed for both wet and dry use, so you can use it in the shower or dry, depending on your preference. With an ergonomic design, the ER-GK60-S fits comfortably in your hand, giving you better control during your grooming routine. The high-quality build makes it ideal for those who need a precise, gentle shave, but it does come with a slightly higher price tag than basic trimmers. Pros: flexible head for easy maneuverability. Hypoallergenic blades for sensitive skin. Wet and dry use. Ergonomic design for comfortable handling. Cons: limited battery life compared to some models. Higher price point than basic trimmers. Number 3. Philips Norelco Body Groom Series 7000. For a more advanced option, the Philips Norelco Body Groom Series 7000 stands out. This model features a dual-sided design, one side for trimming and the other for shaving, allowing you to seamlessly switch between tasks. The Series 7000 also comes with 5 adjustable length settings, offering customizable grooming options to suit your needs, whether you want a closer trim or more length. It's designed for both wet and dry use and is fully washable, making it easy to clean and maintain. The ergonomic handle and powerful battery make this body groomer a great option for tackling both small, sensitive areas and larger surfaces like the chest and legs. Pros: dual-sided design for trimming and shaving. 5 adjustable length settings for a customized experience. Wet and dry use with washable design. Powerful battery and ergonomic handle. Cons: some users may find the trimming attachment a bit bulky. Higher price compared to basic models. Number 2. Manscaped Lawn Mower 5.0. The Manscaped Lawn Mower 5.0 is a sleek and upgraded version of one of the most popular body groomers on the market. Featuring skin-safe ceramic blades, this model minimizes the risk of nicks and cuts, ensuring a smooth and safe grooming experience. The upgraded motor offers more powerful trimming, And with a battery life of up to 90 minutes, it's perfect for those who want a longer grooming session. The Lawn Mower 5.0 is also waterproof, allowing you to use it in the shower for added convenience. And it comes with a charging dock that doubles as a storage station. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during use, and the overall premium features make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a more luxurious grooming experience. Pros: skin-safe ceramic blades to prevent nicks and cuts. 90 minutes of battery life. Waterproof design for use in the shower. Sleek ergonomic design with a charging dock. Cons: price is higher compared to basic body groomers. Larger design may not be as convenient for detailed trimming. Number 1. Braun Series 9 Pro 9465cc. At the top of our list is the Braun Series 9 Pro 9465CIC, which stands out as the best body groomer of 2025. Featuring Braun's patented synchrosonic technology, this high-end model automatically adjusts its power based on hair density, ensuring an even and smooth trim regardless of your hair type. Whether you're shaving your face or grooming your body, the Series 9 Pro delivers precise performance. It's fully waterproof, allowing for both wet and dry use, and comes with a cleaning and charging station that provides ultimate convenience. The long-lasting battery offers up to 60 minutes of cordless use, and its ergonomic design makes it incredibly comfortable to hold and use. The Series 9 Pro is perfect for those who want the highest quality grooming experience with the latest technology and a premium finish. Pros: synchrosonic technology for personalized trimming. Fully waterproof for wet and dry use. Cleaning and charging station for convenience. 60 minutes of cordless use with a powerful motor. Ergonomic design for comfortable handling. Cons: premium price tag. May be too advanced for those who prefer simple trimmers. There you have it, the best body groomers of 2025. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a high-performance model, or a trimmer with advanced features, there's a body groomer on this list for every need. Let us know which one you're excited to try, or if you've already used any of these products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more grooming product reviews and updates.